I'm the Genius Asian. Welcome to the Genius family.
Today, I'm going to show you how to DIY a couple of face shields. This is a 2-liter soda bottle. I start from here and cut lengthwise towards the bottom, and then up towards the bottle neck. I go as far as I can until I hit the thicker bottle neck. Then I cut off the bottle top and cut off the bottom. Now I can put the shield on directly. It is not very secure, but it stays on. However, if I wear glasses, the shield will slip down. If I attach the shield to a cap like this, see? It fits pretty well. This design is better because on the top, it does not have gaps. If heavy droplets containing germs land on top, they are unlikely to slip inside. I use a couple of paper clips to fasten the shield to the cap. Now, see, with glasses, it works pretty well. Once you adjust the shield to your satisfaction, you can fix the shield position securely as follows. The metal tip of the paper clip has to be touching the cloth brim of the cap so that the shield latches. Then I use tape to secure the paper clip to the shield. For the other side, you need to do exactly the same thing. The metal tip needs to be touching the cloth. If your mind tells you it is not possible, then you have to have some faith in me. Flip the paper clip. I guarantee it'll work. I will demonstrate how strong my invention is by showing you an experiment. This is a 2-pound dumbbell. I latch the dumbbell to the paper clip. See? This single paper clip can hold at least a 2-pound weight. The next design is a lift front shield. I drill a hole on each side of the shield and put a paper clip in through each hole. I sew a rubber band on this visor. Attach the paper clips to the rubber band. Wear the visor as you normally do first. Then you can pull down the shield. See, it works. When you want to lift the shield, you just pull the shield up. See, it works. Besides the shield, you may want to check out my DIY face mask video. In the past, no one wore face masks out shopping. Now you see half of the people wearing masks. Currently, I have only seen pictures of people in China wearing homemade shields. However, in shortage situations, hospitals here may also need to improvise. And even if you don't need to wear it for the sake of shielding yourself from germs, this shield may also be helpful if you work in a lab or similar situation in which you need to protect your face.
Share this with people who you know that need it. Leave your own genius tips in the comment section below. Don't forget, I'm the Genius Asian. Subscribe for more useful videos.